Guys, kailangan nyong makita to. Pinakabagong staycation dito sa Lubao, Pampanga. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Wherein Pampanga. For today's video, dinayo po namin ang Lubao, Pampanga upang ma-experience itong bagong staycation. Ito po ang Casa Gardiola. Start natin ang tour dito sa labas. Actually, meron siyang dalawang entrance. I believe this is the main entrance. And then the other side naman is yung side entrance naman niya, which is coming from the parking lot. So, let's get inside. Actually, napansin ko pa dito, Mami, ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin, no? Ganda ng view, sarap ng simoy ng hangin. And pagpasok mo, guys, eto yon, the receiving area. May konting space dito for siguro 2 to 3 tables kapag mag-event kayo. Pansin nyo, guys, nandito na yung ating swimming pool area. So, ang size ng swimming pool area natin is small. However, it has 2 sections, jacuzzi or yung jet pool. Meron din tayong parang dipping area dito. Hindi ko pa na-try, pero siguro ang depth niya is 5. Wow! So medyo malalim siya, guys. And then dito rin, meron tayong barbecue area, common shower area. Lakad lang tayo ng konti, makikita natin yung dalawang kwarto. The first room and the second room. Parang maraming tao dito. Pasokan natin sila, tara. Hi, guys!
Luffy?
Puntahan natin yung isa para hindi sila may istorbo dito. So, this is how it looks like. Actually, the rooms are identical. So, we have 2 double-deck beds. Each bed can accommodate 2, siguro hanggang 3 if we have parang infant or a kid, maliit na bata. Comfortably, and this can accommodate 8. And then another 8 doon. So, 16. And then yung master bedroom natin can accommodate 2. So, yun naman ang puntahan natin. Tara! Ayan, so this is our living room area. Notice, very high ceiling. And that makes it a little bit roomy. So dito, guys, meron tayong couch. And I notice, theme ng room parang native, local, para siyang wood. Banda dito, guys, is ating bar counter. Kitchen is fully furnished. So meron po tayo ditong refrigerator, hanging cabinets, induction stove. Meron din tayong sink, microwave oven, toaster, yung mga plates, mga kaserola, meron din dito. Kompletos Ricardos. Now, papunta naman dito yung master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Again, I like it. It's very roomy for a couple. High ceiling. Meron din tayong ceiling fan and air condition. Actually, lahat ng area natin na enclosed na air condition. Napaka-native talaga ng feel ng staycation natin. Now, dito sa side na to, guys, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath at meron din siyang sariling bathtub. Parang sarap dito mamaya. So, labas tayo and papakita pa natin yung mga ibang space. Yan, guys. We are at the kitchen area. Palabas naman dito, guys, is yung ating dining area. Ayan. So, this is it. Yung dining area natin, siguro 8 to 10. Water dispenser, at saka meron tayong Bluetooth speaker. My baby! We are ready to swim! Ooh! Excited ka na? Let's go swimming. You want ship? Gusto mo yung mga ship?
I want to ride.
Ride the ship? You cannot ride them!
I want to ride.